Welcome to RPGuru Tech Talk. My name is Renu Prasad. In today's video, I will show you how to maximize security for your Amazon Firestick 4K Max by using the privacy settings, and also you're able to block the internet ads on your Firestick. Open settings and go to preferences. Once you click on that, you will see privacy settings there. Click on privacy settings. Then you can see device usage data. I have it off, but I'll show you. You can toggle between off and on. You turn it off, and then you have the collect app usage data. Turn it off if you have it on. And then there's internet-based ads. You can turn it off so that there are no ads shown to you. There are some other key settings that you need. You can actually set it to give you more control and make the data usage monitoring off. And then you have still watching. You can make it off so that it doesn't keep track of things even when your TV is off. So these are some of the key settings which you can use. And there's notification settings. You can have do not interrupt as off so that you don't want to be interrupted while you're watching something. And there are also app notifications. You can turn it off and on. So these are some of the key privacy settings which may protect you from feeling insecure with your Fire Stick. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.